If you want to open an app in pop-up view on Nothing Phone 3, we have two options that allow us to do so. We have the background apps option, so you can go to the background apps, and then once you do that, you can tap on the app icon above the preview, and then we have pop-up view. So we can select it, and there we go. Here is our app. In the pop-up view, we can easily extend it, and so on and so forth. We can grab by this line over here. Let me actually do this, and we can just extend it all the way to the bottom in order to open back in full screen. And there is also the pop-up view gesture, which I believe is only available if you use gesture navigation. And we can just start by swiping from the bottom towards the top side of the phone, just like you are about to go to background apps, but instead you need to just keep swiping up. And as you can see here, we have this text, drag and release here for pop-up view. So we need to drop the app over here, and you should be able to open it in the pop-up view as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.